Want to know how to make Cursor AI repeat the output multiple times? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application, and I have this code with me right here. So we have also created similar videos of how to use Cursor AI and how to add stuff in Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So since we want to repeat the output multiple times, we have to change the code, and for that we need to edit it. So you can just simply select Ctrl+A and then select Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Now this editor should open up. Now just simply type in this prompt right here. So once I type in this prompt, just simply select enter and your code should be changed and edited. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. So as you can see right here, the code has been changed as well. We can just simply select keep in order to keep it. So this is how you easily change or ask Cursor to repeat multiple lines. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.